Right folks, I'm here at Millbrook today on an SMMT test day. I'm in the Alfa Romeo Guilia and this is the Competizione. I'm going to put all the stats up on screen for you, but for most of this video I'm not going to be talking. I'm going to be concentrating on my drive and enjoying it. This one is the hill course, folks, and I think it's 3 different loops within this hill course, and they get gradually steeper. This Guilia is awesome, by the way. I've been in it for about 3 minutes and I'm instantly in love. The flappy paddles in this are epic. Sod it, I'm going to go on the high speed one as well, because why wouldn't I? Okay, so check this out. Oh, check this out, folks. High speed bowl, loving it. To do 100 miles an hour in this lane. The lane immediately to my right, you're allowed to do over that, but today we're not allowed in it. So it's only for professional racing drivers with a race license, or you have to be taken around by a race driver with a manufacturer in the car with you. So I dare say this will be all I can do, but I can do 100 miles an hour in this lane, and I'm at 100 miles an hour now. And this car at 100 miles an hour feels more comfortable than many a car at 70 miles an hour. This seat is gripping me absolutely like a glove. This is an awesome piece of kit, folks. I'm going to make a bold statement. In fact, I'm not, because I haven't spent enough time with the car. But I nearly made a bold statement about it. That's how much I'm enjoying this. Oh, what a car. Love it.